Write a story beginning with, "It had been raining all day." It had been raining all day and I was feeling bored that evening. As the single child of my family, I had no one to play with. My mother was ironing clothes downstairs and my father was away at work. To relieve my boredom, I sneaked into my father's study, which was normally locked. I was not supposed to go there, but I was lucky that evening because my father had forgotten to lock it that morning. As an 11-year-old boy, I was inquisitive and curious. I opened the drawers in the study and looked inside. In one of the drawers, I saw a file with my name on it. There were newspaper cuttings in the file. Upon looking at the cuttings, I was astonished to see news reports about me. The reports stated that I was abducted when I was 3 years of age. There were also pictures of me and my biological mother. The parents that I am staying with now aren't my real parents. I mumbled to myself in disbelief and surprise. How could this be? Full of curiosity, I took the news reports and showed it to my mother. On seeing the reports, she seemed petrified. She started to weep and beg for my forgiveness. It was also at that time that my father came back from work. When he learned that I had discovered the truth, he apologized to me and admitted that he kidnapped me when I was aged 3. Being an infertile couple, your mother and I had always longed for a son, my father explained. 8 years ago, I saw you playing alone in the playground and couldn't resist the temptation to abduct you and make you ours. I was in tears and dumbfounded. My parents then started packing their belongings. In the middle of the night, they took me to my real parents' home. Then, they left as they did not wish to be caught by the police. My son. Where have you been all these years? Who kidnapped you? Cried my mother, when she saw me. Crying happy tears, she was able to recognize me the instant she saw me. I told her everything. She was overjoyed to have me back and hugged me tightly. The rest of the family was happy to be reunited with me as well. Apart from my father, I had an older sister and a younger brother. As I was only 3 years old when I left them, my memory of them was vague. Nevertheless, I could still feel the love and warmth of my real family and I was delighted to go back to where I belonged. 6 years have passed since the reunion with my family. Until today, the couple who abducted me have not been caught. Even though they are not my biological parents, they treated me like their own son. I still think of them occasionally, especially when it rains. I even miss them and wonder how they are now.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.